Today, we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Skibidi Toilet and Grimace. It's going to be step-by-step for beginners, so I want you to stick around to the very end. I'm going to show you how you can draw this. Let's do this together right now. Okay, so let's go over how to draw this Skibidi and Grimace. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the actual toilet area. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start curving here up. Right on. Curve along the top over here of that toilet area. Pulling down the right side over here, curving around the corner here. Sweet. So far, so good. I'm gonna draw like a line right here underneath for the area Grimace is coming out. Alright. So we're gonna have Grimace's head pop up over here. So line up. Curve along the top of the head. And down here. Gonna go over here and I'm actually gonna start into Grimace's face because I want to get that, you know, down, right? Down, 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 down. Curve right here. These two curves for Grimace's mouth. He's got that cleft right in the middle of his mouth. Line over here, side of his mouth here. Curve underneath up. And line like so for the tongue. Gonna fill this in now, kind of the back of the, you know, you can see the back of his mouth. Fill it in, makes it more graphic, makes it easier for the viewer to read. It's just kind of better all around. Gonna go over here now and draw a circle for one eye and a circle over here for the other eye. Right on. Angle line right there, angle line right here. He's got that eye, you know, that lazy eye, dot, dot. And now we're gonna go over here right above his eye. We're gonna draw a line, a thick line right here for an eyebrow. Same thing, we're gonna angle it like that. Curve line over here for under the mouth. All right. So we got that head. So let's continue on to the actual toilet part. So line over here, down. Line over here, down. Line underneath. Curve for the side of the bowl. Curve over here for the other side of the bowl. Don't forget to share this video, by the way. If you are like a fan of these, you know, and if you're a fan of either Grimace or Skibidi, definitely share the video. It makes a huge difference. Curve underneath. Now we're gonna go over here, angle out, over here, angle out, bottom of that, and curve underneath. All right. Now we're gonna go to the back right there of the tank. So we're gonna go over here, out, pull out maybe around this level. Curve along the corner, curve along the corner. And we're gonna pull a straight line down to connect to that. Over here on this side, straight line down to connect to that. Line across, and we're gonna try to connect it over here. We're gonna try to figure out where it's gonna make it. Maybe around there. Line up. Line across. Line across over here. Curve up for that top of that lid up over here. Curve, curve. And then we're going to pull another line across over here. We're going to try to catch it over here on this side. Sweet. Now let's go into a couple more details. So maybe like right here, you can see the circle where the lid falls. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like these. I don't know if I said that, forgive me. But yeah, that is, oh yeah, also the handle over here. Out, down, line over here. Sweet. Now I'm gonna go throw a thicker line on the outside of the entire character. I don't know what you would call this. Can you give me a name for this guy? Curve right here, line over here. Down so. Curve over here. Curve around the corner. Down over here. Line across. Line across. Again, just a thicker line on the outside of that because it makes it look more like a sticker. It gives it like just kind of a good overall feel. If you want to draw like maybe some extra detail like right here, curved line here, around the side of the bowl, like a thinner line here, maybe a thinner line around here, line here. It gives it that extra dimension, as you can tell, right? It gives it that extra good feel. Line, line. And yeah, let me see, maybe a line right here and a line right there. I want to thank you very much for watching. You're amazing, and I want to leave you with a positive message. Keep practicing every single day. It's going to give you a lot of like good vibes. It's going to really give you a lot of you know, practice. It's going to make you better, and you're just going to become like a much better, you know, skillful person with this kind of stuff, as far as an artist, a rounded artist. So I want to thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Stick around and watch the next video in the end credits here. So I'll see you soon.
As artists, we love our sketchbooks. We take them everywhere. We sketch in many different locations and bring our pencils along for the ride. What if there was a better way to carry them? Our team has refined and designed a solution that will give you an improved sketching experience. We call it the Armadillo, a pencil organizer you attach to yourself. The Armadillo solves the problem of having to carry an extra bag, deal with disorganized supplies, and removes the hassle of carrying pencils uncomfortably in your pocket. It's a hassle to have to search for your supplies. With the Armadillo, you can engage in your art without fumbling for your primary materials, pencils, and other art supplies. The Armadillo fastens securely with Velcro to allow easy removal and attachment. The Armadillo is also designed to lay flatly on any tabletop surface, providing a customizable access to your supplies. This also saves space and gives you easy access to your materials. When not worn on the wrist, the Armadillo is fit with an elastic band that is proportioned to fit over nearly any sketchbook or tablet. The Armadillo also dons a strategically placed magnet that sticks to any reactive metal surface in order to hold your supplies when not in use. The Armadillo is made of an altered fabric and is machine washable. Look at the many different uses for the Armadillo.